In this video, I'll talk about Josephus Flavious Task. So it's about the Josephus Flavious, which using the mathematical skill according to the legend saved his life. In short, the task is about the soldiers which trapped. So in this case, this soldier standing in a circle waiting the killer, and in case of the Josephus Flavius, there was 41 soldiers with Josephus Flavius, and then they was killed by this algorithm. So every third was killed, and until one of them remains alive. So this one was Josephus Flavius. The task is to just to find the position to save to not be killed, to find the position to not be killed, so he stands in the correct position, and he stays alive, so avoid execution. Okay, so let's start. So we don't use any mathematical skills, any algorithmic tricks, any trees and so on. So this instruction video is only for the um, beginners who start learning programming, who wants to learn about while loop, about loops, how to use them. So we will use only the loops and the one array, so which we just save if the soldier really alive, or if it's not, it's killed. So let's start programming. So firstly we need two variables which will be like the key. So every key means one person will be skipped, and every case person will be killed. So starting from the zero. Okay, so here we will just get this n and k from the input, and then we need boolean array which will save if soldier is died or not. It will be 500 elements, so our limit is 500. Okay, and then let's fill this array with false. So at the beginning, all soldiers will be alive, so they will not be killed. So and then and let's so also we need some variables like the variable like skip it count. Okay, it will be integer, so to just 0 to just skip the soldiers, and we need some variables which will be like deed count, which will just count the dead soldiers, and which will be used to just create stopping condition. And we need the index, so we will just loop through the array one by one, check if they did, and if they has not did, we will just skip k soldiers, and then k means one soldiers, and then kill case soldiers. So we will just set each case like soldier as did. Okay, so let's start. So while loop we will use with true, because we will just stop it by the condition the in this while loop. So also we will just uh, check for the index if it exists uh, the n. So if it reaches n, then we will set it up to the n and to the 0. So start it from the beginning. Okay. So also we will need like I plus plus index plus plus. So in each case we will just um, uh, like increase our index. So loop through the array. Okay, it will be in the end of this loop. In the beginning of the loop, we will just check if it is like not killed yet. If it's not killed yet, the index or person, then we will do some cases. So if it reaches like the did count is n minus 1, so if did count reaches the n, then nth person will be stay alive. So we will just stop working the while loop, stop working our program. So as our index started from 0, then our like answer will be like index plus 1, and we can just stop our program. Else if skipped count reaches k means 1, so we have skipped enough people soldiers, then we will just kill the soldier on this index. So um, count will be increased, uh, skipped count will start from 0, and then is did will be true for this index, for this soldier. So we kill it the person, and else we will skip this soldier. So skip it count will be increased, and then index will be increased in any time. So and we will control if index will not like exceed the array, will not just like exceed the size of the array, and then our program will work. So let's try. Let's try it 3. Yes, of course, it seems like the easy task, but if you are beginner, if like for the beginners who started learning loops, who started learning while loop, it can be difficult. So I will not share the programming code. So you need to try it by yourself, like implementing this program. So thank you for your attention, and good day.